So welcome back to GeekPixel, and today we are making a dual lightning effect for this video. So let's get into it. Alright, so first of all just make a canvas, and I'm gonna make a 1920 by 1080p canvas. So I'll just create it. Now you have to import your image, and if you like to use the one I'm using, the link will be in the description. So I will just import my image and I will place my image right there. So now we have to remove the background, and I'm gonna use select subject method, but you can use any method that you prefer. So now I'm gonna click on select and subject. So it has made a rough selection, so it will work for me. By the way, you can use a free background removal website that is called remove.bg. So I'll just click on this add layer mask, and that should remove the background. So I'm gonna click on this background layer and fill it with the black color. So just click on this pen bucket tool and set black color on your foreground. So I'll just fill it. So as you can see, the selection is not very nice, so I will just take a minute to fix this. I'll just go to select, modify and contract, and I'll contract it by 1 pixels. So I'm gonna click on this layer mask thumbnail. I'll press Ctrl Shift and I on my keyboard and take a brush tool. So I'll just remove it like that. I'll fix it right here as well. So I think this is fine. Now we are gonna add our effect. So just click on this adjustment icon and select gradient map. Click on this gradient bar and choose this one. Double click on the white slider and choose a cyan color like this. Press OK once you're done. And make sure to clip it with the original image. So now click on this layer mask thumbnail right here and take a brush tool. Make sure you have foreground color set to black and increase the brush size like that. Set the hardness to 0% and take a soft round brush and set the flow to 30%. So I'm gonna increase the size a bit like that, and this should be fine. So I'll just paint over it. So this is fine. I'm gonna add another gradient map. So just click on this adjustment icon and this gradient map icon. Click on this gradient bar and choose this one and select the orange color for this one. Press OK once you're done and remove it again. And don't forget to click on this layer mask thumbnail. And make sure to clip it with the original image. So I'm gonna hold Alt on my keyboard and just click in the middle of these layers, so it will clip it with the original image. Now make a new layer and also clip it with the original layer by holding Alt on your keyboard and just clicking. Take the brush tool and this time choose a bright cyan color like this. And just paint over the edges like that. If you have a pen tablet, this should be fairly easy, but for this tutorial I'm gonna use my mouse. If you like, you can revert it by pressing Ctrl and Z on your keyboard. So I think this is fine. I'm gonna take orange color and do the same. So I think I will paint over here as well. So for that I'm gonna reduce the opacity to 30% and I'll just paint it like that. Take the eraser tool and remove this area. I'm gonna do the same for this side as well. So I'm gonna take a light cyan color like this and just do the same. Take the eraser tool and remove it like that. Now if you like, you can press Ctrl and J on your keyboard and make sure to clip it with the original image and set the blending options to linear dodge, so it will make your colors a bit brighter. So I'm gonna reduce the opacity to 34% or 47 was fine. So I think this is fine, and now we are going to add some more rim lights. So for that I'm gonna zoom in make another new layer, and I'll choose a light cyan color like this one. Take the brush tool again, make sure to clip it and just paint. Make sure to take a light brush for this one and make sure the brush size is small. I'll paint over here as well and remove it like that. I'm doing this with my mouse, and if I had a pen tablet, this would have been super easy. So here's the before and here's the after. That was it for the video. If you like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and see you in the next one.